Ever wondered how some businesses skyrocket their success while others struggle to keep up? Well, today I'm about to share a secret weapon that can transform your business and personal brand. It's a game changer that will make your competition wish they had thought of it first. So get ready to discover the power of leveraging a native mobile application for your business and personal brand. Let's start with the basics. I'm going to be using this term a lot, so it's important you know what I'm talking about when I say native mobile app. The short version is it's an app developed specifically for a certain operating system instead of a web app or website, for example, that is built specifically for a browser like Chrome or Safari. Think about your favorite apps on your phone right now. They're most likely native apps built just for Android or Apple's iOS. They're designed to take full advantage of the features of your device like GPS, camera, and microphone. And the best part, they don't need any external assistance from other tools or browsers to launch right on your phone or tablet. Alright, now that you understand the difference between web apps and native mobile apps, let's shift gears a little bit and talk about something that's super important: personal branding and the role native apps play in your brand. Now, I'll get to that in a moment, but if you are new here or this is your second or more video, I have something called the virtual high five, which means if you are getting value from these videos and you have watched 2 or more, all I ask is that you hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps me out, as while I make these videos free to watch, it does take my time and energy to put them together. So if you have watched 2 or more videos, hit the like and subscribe button, and if you're finding them useful, give me that virtual high five. Back on topic, let's talk personal branding. Having your very own native mobile app isn't just a strategic move for your business operations. It's also a massive game changer for your personal brand. First off, when you've got your own app, it automatically sets you apart from your competition, as very few businesses have got to this stage. It's like you're playing chess while they're still figuring out tic-tac-toe. It creates a high perceived value among your clients, which is a huge advantage. This perceived value allows you to have higher margins for your services because you're offering something unique, something that not everyone has. But it doesn't stop there. Having your own app also builds authority in your industry and strengthens your brand. It sends a clear message that you're not just another player in the field, but a leader, an authority figure, someone who's investing in technology to provide the best for your clients. And here's a little secret. You know those push notifications that we all get on our phones? Well, with your own app, you can leverage those to send messages to your clients directly. No more hoping that your email didn't end up in the spam folder or that your social media post got lost because of the latest algorithm update. With push notifications, your message lands straight onto your client's phone. I'm yet to see another business tool that gets you in front of your clients as quickly and consistently, and that's powerful stuff for sure. Now, let's talk numbers. Did you know that mobile apps report a 3 times higher engagement rate than web apps? What's more, they also get a huge 70% conversion rate in capturing lead details like prospect email addresses and phone numbers. That's a whole lot of potential clients you're reaching out to, all from the comfort of their smartphones. Finally, perhaps one of the best things about having a mobile app for your personal brand is it gives you a platform to sell your expertise while you sleep. Yes, you heard that right. With the mobile app, you can make sales and provide services without having to be there in person. This means that you can scale your business and reach more people without adding more hours to your day or more staff to your payroll. This is a particularly big deal if you are in industries like real estate, personal training, coaching, or any profession that usually relies on being available in person to service your clients. If you are serious about taking your business and personal brand to the next level, it's time to think about developing a native mobile app. At this point, you might be saying, well, this all sounds great, but aren't mobile apps super expensive to develop? I'm going to walk you through exactly that in a sec, but before I do, let's take a moment to look at 6 reasons why native apps outperform their web counterparts. Now, don't get me wrong, web apps have their place too, but I'll cover that in a separate video. Number 1, performance. One thing you'll love about native apps is their killer performance. These apps are designed specifically for a platform, and this means they're speedy, responsive, and just overall much smoother. They're like a sports car that always delivers top-notch performance no matter the condition. Number 2, security. We all care about security, right? Well, guess what? Native mobile apps have got you covered on that front too. They offer solid performance and tighter security than web apps. Plus, they give businesses the power to manage the apps on individual devices remotely, and that's a win-win for you and your users. The security aspect is particularly important if you're dealing with any sort of IP. Being able to lock away your intellectual property inside an app where nobody can access it without your consent is a great feature. Number 3, feature integration. Now, let's talk features. We all love a good feature-packed app, don't we? With native mobile apps, you can let your creativity run wild. You can add new features that align with your brand and serve your audience better. Plus, you get to integrate cool features like push notifications, which are a great way to keep your users engaged. Number 4, the user experience. User experience is king, and native mobile apps wear the crown. They're super intuitive and interactive, making it feel like they're an integral part of your device. They're designed to make the user experience a breeze, to the point where many of us have become reliant on the apps that we use on a daily basis. Number 5, offline accessibility. Ever been stuck somewhere with no internet connection? Native mobile apps to the rescue. They can work without the internet, so your users can access your app anywhere, anytime. No more worrying about bad network coverage or a slow network if you're in a region that doesn't have great service. Last but not least, number 6, hardware integration. Another cool thing about native apps is their ability to use your device's hardware effectively. This makes the apps faster and gives your users a more seamless experience. As I mentioned before, this also makes it easier to tap into functions like GPS, motion sensors, and the camera, to mention a few. Now, as promised, let's talk cost. Jump on Google right now and do a quick search, and you'll find that the prices are all over the place. You'll be presented with ranges like $30,000 to $250,000 and beyond. Now, before you go running with your tail between your legs at the cost, here's the thing. This is old school thinking. I cover this in detail in one of my earlier videos, which I'll link below, but nowadays we have a range of options to bring this cost down dramatically, and better yet, start getting paid for our apps before they are even launched. This is something I can and have spoken to people for hours about at a time, so I won't go through all of this in detail right now, but reach out and book a call with me anytime and I can walk you through the strategies to keep costs down and get paid quicker. So there you have it. Native mobile apps are a powerful tool for boosting your business and your personal brand. They offer top-notch performance, security, feature integration, and an exclusive platform for your brand. So if you're looking to take your business to the next level, it's time to think about developing a native mobile application. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, scale smarter.